The DJI Mavic 4 has been leaked again, and it will surely be one of the most capable consumer drones ever produced. Thanks to the new leaks, we have many new details about it, and even a first release date. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. First, let's take a look at the design. In the first ever leaked video of the drone from last summer, it clearly still was an early prototype, with rough plastics and textures, while in the last leaks it features a darker color with the final design. In this video, we can have a closer look at the folding mechanism in action. It works like the new Dji mini-series drones, and it's the opposite compared to the Mavic 3, with the front arms folding downwards and the back arms going forward. Let's move on to the interesting part, the specs. Starting from the camera, it will feature a 100 megapixels 4/3 sensor, capable of recording up to 6K 60 FPS and 4K 120. The camera will also feature dual native ISO, and on top of that, it will also have stepless electronic ND filters from ND4 to 64. These are features that only top-tier cameras get, and putting them on a commercial drone that is this small is incredible. As for the telelenses, some leakers suggest that the Mavic 4 will have continuous optical zoom, like handycams, for example. However, this is still not confirmed. Moving on, there are a lot of other insane details about the drone, like the O4 transmission with 40 kilometers range and 52 minutes flight time, plus 240 watts charging. All of this, as you might have expected, does come at a high price, of course. According to the latest leaks, the base version will start at $2,200. It was expectable by looking at the specs, but for what it offers, compared to the Mavic 3 Pro, it's not too high in my opinion. We also have details about the release date. According to insiders, it's planned for April 2025. It will still take some time to get close-up images and the final details. So subscribe to the channel and check my community posts for real-time updates, and drop a like if this video was helpful.